Dear Pomacia, I'm an assistant professor and also beginner in research. So today I'll be showing you a demo of how I use the mendeley app, Microsoft Word and Google Scholar for creating a literature survey when writing a research article. So some prerequisites you'll need is obviously first thing you'll need this mendeley app, which is actually a free software provided by elsewhere. You can just open your browser, Google for Mendeley, download the apps, and you can create your sign in or login ID. First thing you need to install is this thing. This is called the Mendeley plugin for your browser. I'm using a Chrome browser, so this is a Mendeley plugin for Chrome. It's actually a mainly web importer or an online library. And then the second thing which you need is this mainly desktop app. And once you install this mainly desktop app, it automatically installs a plugin for Windows. Once you have the app, you are ready for creating references. What you need to do first is create a folder specific to the article which you are writing. Suppose you are writing article titled A2. Within this A2 folder, you'll be having your references here, which are going to be cited in your article. So once you have this app, once you have the folder created, now you are ready to start citing articles and references within your research article. So to begin referencing, what you need first is you need to open your browser, go to Google Scholar and search with the keyword. Suppose the keyword you want to search is uh, chimeric mice production. Once you type that keyword, you have all the research papers which have the word. So you can narrow down your research fields based on the time when you want your research to be published. You can set a range of timeline. You can sort your papers, sort by date, or that is, you can either sort newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Then you can even go in for advanced search, which is searching for terms within your paper and searching for things like how many times your paper is published or where it is published. So for example, these are the papers you want cited. This cathepsin L vaccine against hepatitis and FGF 23. These are the papers you want cited in your article. So to go for citation, all you have to do is click on this symbol here, which is for the plugin. Here you are automatically signed in, or in case you are not signed in, Mendeley will provide you with an option to sign in. Once you have clicked on that, just need to select the papers which you want to cite. You wanted to cite this paper, which is cathepsin. You wanted to cite this paper, vaccine against hepatitis C, and you wanted to cite this paper, which is FGF 23. So you just select the papers you want to cite and you click on add to mendeley. Once you click on add to mendeley, it gets added to your desktop library or your offline app. Now these papers have been added to your library offline. That is, within the app you have got these three papers as references. Now all you have to do is cite these papers within your article. For example, you have read this paper and you got point 1. You have read this paper and you got point 2. You read this paper and you got point 3. Now you are ready to start writing your article and are ready to cite these papers. So you've got point 1, point 2, and point 3. Now all you have to do is cite the reference for these points. This point you got from which paper, you need to cite that. So for citation, all you need to do is click on references, click on this thing. As I told you, it's a plugin, mendeley plugin for your Word, which is automatically installed. You need to click on insert citation, go to mendeley library and click on the article. We've got it from this article. So you click on this article and you click on cite. Once you click on cite, it gets cited here in the format which you have specified here. Here we have specified APA 7th edition, which is the most standard. Next, you want to cite on the paper for this point. Again, you click on insert citation, click on go to mendeley, click on the paper which you want to cite and you click on cite. So you got the citation here. Again, repeat the same thing here. Insert citation, go to your mendeley library, click on the paper which you want to cite and click on cite. These are cited here. Now all you need to do is add the references. For adding references, you create a subheading called reference. Then you move your pointer to a place where you want your references to be added. I want my references to be added here. Once you have the cursor or the pointer here at the place where you want your reference to be added, just click on insert bibliography. So it will add the papers which have been cited within this article. Here we have cited this paper which is added here. We have cited this paper which is added here, and we have cited this paper which is added here. So this was just a small demo of the tools which I use, and I personally prefer these tools